Damn. I done fucked up, I think. But works. Makes sense. There you go. I've started the YouTube version of the live stream. Hopefully this works. Okay. So fuck. Let's co-pilot there. Okay. I'm just sorting up some more stuff and we'll be good. Okay. That should be okay. So I need to make a new directory. New resource, and I'll be a layout. Boom. Okay. And then inside of that, okay. Yes, it is. And I am already doing some stuff wrong. Hell yeah. What do you do? Oh, I see. I get what you mean. It feels more like Python. So it's not bad. Damn. Maybe someday for me. Hopefully. Okay, so we need to go to the Android manifest and get the permissions. So the permissions I'll need. What's up? Random SDK 23, target 35. Okay, that sounds good. What's up, Banana? How you doing? I'm working on the things I've been working on previously, but we're trying something slightly different this time. We're gonna use camera X, hopefully, and a little bit of probably Google machine learning kit instead of OpenCV, which has not been working for me. Okay. This... no. And forgot where I did this. Is that? It's not. Okay. Let me see. Let's see. 4 dot. Fucking something up already. That's usually not a good sign. Whoops, that version that time. What? Really? Where would I find that? Let's see. not even able to import it. Do I just do straight up Android X? No, that doesn't make sense. Let's see. What the fuck? Okay, well. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Like, we're not using Arch Linux or... Okay, it's downloading everything right now. Shit. Where'd they? Okay. Yeah, I don't even know. Give it a second. Can't spell. Try to extra camera to update up pretty quickly. We have it here. Android X camera 4. Camera core, camera 2. Camera lifestyle. Camera view. Hello. How you doing? Maybe I go to project structure, dependencies. Okay, well, I know how to implement things now. Of course. Gotta be more complicated than I thought. Okay. Am I using it incorrect? Okay. Okay, yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. This isn't Java, though. That's annoying. Camera selector. Do I have that? Yes. Unused, though. What the fuck? Where is it getting camera from? That's so strange. Manifest permission camera. Grant permission wrong. This is terrible. Okay, maybe I just made it incorrectly. Well, no, they updated stuff. I haven't updated this. Because that's the official way of doing it, but it's just not. Sometimes there's things I cannot do. That is one of them. Which is ass. Because it's not like I don't want to, you know?
Hmm.
But I can't.
I applaud you for that.
Okay. Are we back?
Get her done.
I think we're back. Okay. That's very cool. I'm back doing the YouTube live streaming and I restarted the Twitch one. Why does this always happen? Like, what the actual fuck? The Romans were never good at building bows, huh? That's why those motherfuckers are using slings.
Yeah. But we do have good spears. Those spear guys are pretty good.
I mean, at the end of the day, they're spears, you know?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. They're the best defense. Then we got rocks and just sling those rocks at
The best
our
defense
enemies.
is offense. Yep.
I don't know. Marvel Rival makes me think differently.
Well, you can't really defend yourself. Well, the thing is, it's much easier to defend yourself when all the people trying to kill you are dead.
It's true.
Yep. What am I doing here? Yes. Okay. Oh, fuck. There's no music running at all right now. It's terrible. There we go. Here's the uncopyrighted-ish music. And then I will play some music off YouTube Music again. Separate app. There we go. See, I'm just that cool.
Yo, he being cool. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Huh. Okay, so I have secured my island.
I'm very happy with what I'm doing though.
Pretty much not upgrade my island. How about that?
I didn't complete rebranding, except for my name.
Yes, I even realized that you put your whole face on Discord.
Yeah. I was like,
is it
why
the
not?
same for Twitch and YouTube?
It's like, why not?
I mean, you're right in that aspect. Why not? I don't know. Privacy? I don't know.
Okay. I also added closed captions to Twitch. So.
Nice.
It's pretty nice. That means okay, I need to actually make this into a video somehow. Which means I need to record it, which I fucking forgot to do. I might have just fucked
Holy
myself.
yeah, my gosh! These guys make too much. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording now. There we go.
Do you have any language barriers that I should be aware of?
Yeah. Don't say slurs. That's pretty bad.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I did make a new Discord server too. I forgot about that.
You didn't just remake the old one?
No, I made a new one. It's a lot better than the old one. Very happy with what I did. And hopefully, I'll actually use it. Like, I'm almost 100% sure that's why the previous one died. Just because I never used it.
Probably.
Okay. Think we're back.
Yay!
Thank God. It's time to start trying to code again. Disgusting. Okay, so we're back. Hopefully. It all works well. Okay. I think I redo everything way too often. I think that might be a problem of mine. But yeah, I remade all the overlays again. Yo, what's up, with Saint? How you doing? Okay. Project structure dependencies, Karen. As well. Is the camera core?
Okay.
Wait, what happened?
I think I freed a spirit.
Oh.
Maybe?
How did you do? How do you do that?
I touched it and it went. Ah.
What the fuck? Okay. Very strange.
Yep. I could show you its corpse.
Yeah.
Right there. Right in front of my horse's head. That's where I found it.
Why do you do that?
Right there. I didn't. I touched his ghost and he went away.
I can't believe you. You know that you'd be that mean.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so ruthless.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, they're in my pocket.
Wait.
They're in my little bag where my gold and stuff is there.
Okay. I'm trying. So right now I am trying to make a thing where it detects like pips on dominoes because I can.
Mhm.
Right now I am doing stuff that you can't see because I am a dumbass. It's like you can't see the other stuff. That I really don't want to show my screen because that gets slightly annoying. Because you have to think about stuff, and I'm not so good at that.
Sometimes you gotta do what sometimes you gotta do.
So, it's time to just do things on the fly. Add display capture, and add not that one. Boom. Display capture on top.
Another ghost.
Delete that stuff. And then add an audio capture for opera. Opera sound.
Running away from that.
Boom, boom. It works. Okay. There we go. filter. I think that'll be good for me. Another mask.
Oh shit, I should not have touched this. Oh. Oh no!
No, I don't like that.
Either. Well, okay.
Okay, but it's fine.
Damage was not too bad.
I think that works. Boom. Okay, we're back. We want. Which one do we want? Viewfinder or viewfinder core? Or just view? I think we just want view. Gonna apply that. Click OK. Look at the build logs. Can I import x dot camera? Yes. Thank God. Yes. New Discord server. It should be in the description somewhere. Or I forgot to make it again. I forgot to add it again. No, it's right there. Never mind. Okay. I should probably add panels for that though. I do like how everything looks back here though, but yeah. Add some more stuff. Okay, let me add it right now. Is there a Discord one? There is. Boom. Copy link address. Links there. Boom. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. I'm not really sure how to feel about... Oh yeah, so basically, Discord server is pretty damn cool. Although I'm not in it right now. But yeah, there's a suggestions forum, tech support, community support here. Basically, there's all these tags as well. So you need any help or any suggestions, just post something. I will try to change it or help you out whenever you need. Yeah. Not really much in here yet, but oh yeah, I am planning on doing like a daily blog thing. It's gonna be right here. You know, I posted this shit way too late yesterday, but you know, there you go. I need to... I need to be reminded to do this. Maybe like before I go to sleep. But yeah. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a little diary entry like once a day, and then it's basically gonna say what I did and what I plan on doing. Hopefully. Hopefully. I don't know. Depends. Okay, well. Back to the real shit. For now, I just added that down there. It's not gonna... Jesus. Okay. The About tab is way too long. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's start working again. So, what should we use? We use ChatGPT because guess what? We can. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hi. Such a cutie. Okay. Okay. And can I not use ML Kit? Yeah. So camera core, camera 2, life cycle, and view, and object detection. No. I don't understand this at all either. So don't worry about it. It's fine. Object detection. Okay. Common custom. There's different ones. Okay. Cool. Bye. It's gonna download. Just gonna copy. Don't worry, I am learning this as well. There we go. And activity. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it's within the linear layout. That's what I thought. Okay. Works. Oh, sorry, TV.
Hmm?
Oh, okay. I'm just talking a bit.
I'm defending my castle.
I see. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay. And then this, I'll just copy and paste that because I am a lazy bastard right now. Boom. I fucking... Whoops.
I'll be right back.
Man. And I did not activity. Main. Refactor. Boom. What's wrong with this? Okay. Feel like... Okay. Dot add list. There's no fucking... Okay. Interesting. Number 5, where would I put... Why make it separately then? That makes sense. Image.image. What? That doesn't make much sense. Add a text view. Add on success listener. What is that? Let's try to build it. something's probably wrong with this, but okay. I should probably download that. What is it? NZXT cam. Find it's just the nicest looking way of finding your PC's crap. Let me pause this. Pause that. Yeah. It's booting up. Broke. It's down. Cool. What is this? This confuses me. So I just replaced the bat? Really? Why? I am clicking on all the wrong things. Fucking. Yep. Oh my god. That is ass. Okay. Band. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna use my phone. Let's see. Settings. Unresolved, okay. It's launching on my device. Well, it's trying to. Who knows? I mean, probably. That's why they're doing it. Damn, instantly crashed. Did I do this? I assume I did. Do I not request runtime? There's no way I don't. Oh, I really don't. Assume it has to be here. Okay, let's try to run it again. Fuck. This is why we use stuff like this, because it just tells you what's wrong and how to fix it. Oh, shut the fuck. Okay. Yeah, I only learned this recently, but it's actually really impressive. Fuck. Keep on clicking the wrong things, man. Styles.xlm. Res value styles. Oh. There is literally no styles. Okay. Things that you believe in. I was watching every move. Failed again. Now there's a different one. Okay. I may do that. Which one? Android material 1.9.0. Wait. So ChatGPT makes it so like the more in-depth things you don't really need to know as much. If you know the basics, it's just a ton easier, basically. There you go. Shit. Wait. Fuck.
I needed you an awful lot these last few days.
Shit. Let me just try closing it. And open it again. Boom. Nope. He wishes. Okay, perfect. Let's try to build this thing. Nope. Something else. Ah, there we go. Now that's a lot of errors. Ideally, I'd want to go for the first one, and then we'll go down from there. No. Yes, I have that. I have that. Do I have that? It would be under... Ugh. I love ads. Com, Google, Android material. Com, Google, Android. No. Oh, fuck. I keep on pressing the wrong buttons again. I probably downloaded the wrong one. The end of the earth. I don't. Yeah, let me look. Google Android material. Android material. Filled good. Fatal exception again. What is going on here? It's normal. Damn. It's still the Captain Pat theme. I spelled wrong. Fuck. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're gonna. Sorry if I'm not talking, but trying to fix this as fast as possible. I use something else. Let me click the reason button. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we're getting somewhere, boys. Oh, hi again. Bro. I'm so done. Okay. We're actually getting somewhere though. This is exciting. What can? Remember you brought it.
This is my skates.
What?
Where are my skates?
Is that the president?
Yep, there was.
Yo! He lives!
Alright, fine, I create. Okay. Oh, it's literally in there already. Hmm. What?
Where's mine? Where's my?
Relax. Again. Wait. Boys. This is let's see. Okay. Okay. We got camera working, boys. Hell yeah. Hello.
Nerds.
What's up?
Hey,
What are you guys up to?
I'm doing some nerd
building.
shit.
Hey, Taylor!
What's up?
What's that?
I haven't played this in a while.
The King's Two Crowns?
Okay, the Two Crowns.
Yeah. I got Olympus. It is fucking great. I love it. Little spear guys do stuff. Unlike the undead version, where they kind of stick behind a wall. It's dope.
Okay.
Emo, I have souls in my pocket.
What's that, man?
Oh, just casually
I'm
have souls in
working
your
on
pocket.
this.
What's that?
I'm just trying out.
You hear that,
Like a
Emo? That's the
virus
little
thing?
president.
Oh my god.
What about little president?
You hear that little kid? That's the little president. He's gonna be next president.
Oh. Yeah, how do you
At
know
the
they're
ripe
talking
old
about you?
age of 12.
Yeah, he just turned 11.
Yeah.
Well, he's about to turn 11.
Huh?
Stop it. The fuck.
Yeah, we do want bounty boxes.
What is bounding boxes?
So basically what we're doing is we're trying to circle it with stuff so it looks better.
Where?
Bounty box view.kt. Cool.
Okay, that sounds useless.
Should probably keep building it out.
Oh, I'm only just joined to call you guys nerds. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. We may be nerds, but he's an ancient nerd.
True.
He's been nerding since the. He's been nerding since the whatever the dinosaur period.
He lived in the Triassic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Nerds.
Ken, be careful. Gotta hurry this up. Okay. I'm a dumbass. Damn. Okay. It is not detecting stuff in the slightest. Okay. Well, that's okay. But we did a lot. Okay. Okay. It's not doing anything we want. Oh, fuck. So, we're gonna try it again. Is that not? I see. Oh, what's wrong? Okay.
The baby! Oh,
Yes.
it's the baby!
Oh. Okay. Oh. Ah. You didn't expect that.
The baby!
Oh.
Such a cute little chunk.
We're gonna. Okay. Looks like I gotta take care of this baby for now. I might be back.
Bye, baby! Yeah.
Package if you want to get fancy. And that's it. You guys aren't going to believe the deal I just got. $800 for a brand new RTX 4090 on eBay. Oh, well, guess it was too good to be true. But no worries. eBay, Amazon, even AliExpress, they've got robust buyer protection schemes that make it simple to get your money back if your product doesn't show up or isn't as advertised. So the question then is, why are these scam listings still all over these platforms if they can't possibly work? I had to find out for myself. So I hit buy it now on an obvious fake listing and, well, it didn't happen exactly like we just showed, but we did learn a ton about how scammers are operating on these platforms and how they could still get your money and leave you empty-handed.
But it's totally avoidable with our sponsor Java. Got four? I'm not Linus. Java is a legit marketplace for selling and buying PC parts like GPUs. Not only do they have PC experts screening listings, but they also offer refund if you receive a brick.
This topic originally came up on the WAN show when a viewer pointed us to this listing and asked, hey, what gives with this? And then I impulsively responded with, I don't know, let's order it and find out. Well, we didn't even get as far as placing our order before another helpful viewer reached out and laid out how they almost lost their money with a similar listing. As it turns out, these scammers have found some ways to get valid tracking numbers without actually shipping you anything. We'll get to the how later, but what you need to know for now is they can just pick a tracking number that's going to your city and then give that to eBay or another marketplace seller to prove delivery, making it much more difficult for you to file a dispute. But like, that shouldn't work, right? Well, Whatever the reason for it, have you noticed how couriers give less and less information about a shipment these days? Forget about a zip code. You're lucky to even get an origin and destination city. And because eBay can't see the specifics of the tracking number that our scammer provides them, any delivery to roughly the same area in roughly the same time frame will make it seem like the seller has done their job. So, dispute closed. But here's the problem. You still don't have your GPU or your money. So what can you do? Reaching out to the scammer is a waste of time. They already know it's a scam. And you could try to escalate your dispute with eBay, but how do you prove that you didn't get your shipment? The tracking says you did, plain as day. Well, okay, how about the courier then? Surely they can see that the tracking number has nothing to do with you. And they can, but that's actually a problem too, because they're not supposed to give out information about shipments that seemingly have nothing to do with you. And then even if you do convince the courier's support representative that your story is true, eBay is going to want something tangible, not just an email from a meat-based chatbot. So what happened with our viewer then is they ended up having to physically go to the UPS store and convince an agent there to provide a note on UPS letterhead that stated that the tracking number that the seller provided was not associated with the buyer's address. Only when that was scanned and sent to eBay was a refund finally approved. So how does the scam work? Well, in a nutshell, the scammer hopes that either you aren't persistent enough to go get that hard evidence, or that the courier's support team is too stubborn to give it to you. Now, I think that many of us would be pretty persistent when it comes to recovering that amount of money, but here's the thing. If a scam didn't work, nobody would be trying to pull it. All right, that's the short version. But this scam didn't just pop fully formed into someone's brain. So how did we get here? Well, it's kind of a funny story because get this, it didn't actually start out as a scam. Rather, it started as a clever way to deal with marketplace restrictions. So, before we get into that, let's do a quick refresher on online marketplaces and dropshipping. I'm sure you've seen these little sold by notices when you shop on basically any major online retailer these days. Well, just like eBay, these sites are acting as marketplaces. The benefit for smaller sellers is it allows them to list and sell their items on large, recognizable brand name stores in order to reach a wider customer base. The benefit for the marketplace is they get a cut of every sale without needing to do inconvenient and costly things like maintaining inventory, or in some cases, even fulfilling the orders. This system allows just about anyone to list their product on, say, bestbuy.com. But hold on, they're gonna need a warehouse and a logistics team, right? Nope. Thanks to drop shipping services, the seller can just give the marketplace a list of items and inventory that they have access to through third-party warehouses, and then they wait for someone to place an order, quickly buy it from a supplier who packages it up, sticks the seller's logo on it, usually for an extra fee, and then ships the product to you. In these cases, neither the retail site that you used nor the seller ever even touched the product that they sold you. It is nothing like buying from lttstore.com, where you can check out our new labs collection and rest assured that we're involved in every step of the process, from design to ordering to warehousing to shipping to customer service. Sorry, where was I? Oh, right, sorry. Marketplaces. In spite of this lack of control, marketplaces, they still want to keep their brand respectable, so they do take precautions to protect their customers. Like, for example, holding on to the money for a couple of weeks to ensure that the order actually gets delivered, or insisting that the seller provide a tracking number for the shipment. And it's that last point that brings us, finally, to the tracking number piece of the puzzle. See, no retailer likes to send you off-platform. So, when you want to track your order, they like to pull the tracking details from the courier's API and then wrap it up in their own pretty little interface. Well, that means that they need to limit their sellers to the couriers that they have integrated into their site. Now, sellers mostly played along at first, but as marketplace fees have risen, sellers have felt the need to get more creative to preserve their profitability. Say, for example, by using discount couriers that their marketplace doesn't support. Well, somewhere along the line, someone had the bright idea to use Discount Joe's Delivery, but then give the marketplace a made-up string of numbers and hope that, well, as long as the item arrives, no one's gonna notice or care. And that worked, at least for a little while. But then the marketplaces wised up and they demanded that the tracking number be valid. Okay, so now our sellers need a more legit fake tracking number. How do they get it? Well, a quick Google search shows how these numbers are formatted, and most couriers will let you check dozens of tracking numbers at a time on their website, hundreds if you use their API. So what if we just write a bot that generates and then checks tracking numbers, logging any that work into a database so that we can use them later? But Linus, you say, writing that bot could take dozens of minutes. If you've never heard of ChatGPT, well, don't worry, there's an even easier way. A quick search surfaced a wide selection of professional-looking websites that offer valid, active tracking numbers for sale. I'm not talking about the dark web here, guys. This is plain old boring internet. Let me show you. All I gotta do is select a destination city, let's say Surrey, Canada. I can specify an approximate estimated delivery date range, shipment status, in transit, and I want it to come from the States. I click Get Tracking Number and dun 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 da! There it is. Origin Kernersville, US, shipped yesterday. You can even pick details like the approximate weight of the package if you want to get fancy. And that's it. We now have the tracking number for someone else's shipment for the low, low price of just 25 freedom cents. Now, some of these sites claim that you are trading tracking numbers, while others try to imply that your actual shipment will totally be trackable with the number you're buying. But in both cases, that is obviously complete bullshit. These services are all about tricking marketplaces. But the thing is, solving this is not as simple as you'd think. Because the marketplace isn't the shipper or the receiver, even if they had someone on staff whose job it was to check that everything lines up, the couriers wouldn't be at liberty to share any information about a shipment that doesn't involve them. And let's be real, even if the marketplace did notice the tracking was sus, what are they gonna do? They're gonna email the seller and then wait for a response. A response that will almost certainly be, oh, sorry about that, that was a mistake. Let me get back to you with the right number. Well, that's gonna buy Discount Joe at least a couple more days to scooter up to your driveway with that e-girl keyboard that you so desperately need. At which point, everyone loses interest in the investigation. But where are these fake, real tracking numbers coming from? Did these guys hire a guy on Fiverr to whip up some of those bots we talked about? Well, maybe. But we also came across another possibility while digging through eBay forum threads. Have you ever used one of those third-party tracking apps or websites to track your shipments? You know the kind. They promise to track any parcel from any courier, no matter how obscure, which saves you the arduous work of typing in multiple three-letter domain names. Well, many of these sites are in countries with, let's call them loose data protections. And if you take the time to peruse their terms and privacy policies, you'll find that they generally do not consider tracking numbers to be personal or private information. So we've got these sites that are just slurping up active tracking numbers all day, every day, keeping track of where they're going and when, and we combine that with the market that happens to exist for valid tracking numbers and, well, let's just say there's some synergies to leverage, as they say. Now, to be clear, I don't have any hard evidence, and I'm not saying that all of these tracking sites are selling data. I'm just saying that I would be shocked if at least some of them weren't. And if they are, well, up until this point, it isn't that bad of a scam. It is dishonest, and it completely defeats the purpose of tracking, but most of the sellers that are buying these tracking numbers really are shipping your product, and you really will get it eventually. They're just trying to jump through marketplace hoops and ship from the most advantageous sources, most of them. But eventually, someone realized that they could use those numbers to gain their metrics. Let's say someone places an order for this gaming mouse. After the order comes through though, their supplier goes out of stock and they can't get it. Well, marketplaces don't take kindly to sellers who take orders that they can't fulfill. So I'm in a pickle. That is until I get an idea. An awful idea. A wonderful, awful idea. I can avoid a strike on my account if I just buy one of those tracking numbers and then just not actually ship anything. Then, when the tracking says delivered and the customer inevitably reaches out asking, hey, where's my order? I can say, oh, I'm so sorry. The courier must have messed up. Well, don't worry, I'm already processing a refund for you. At that point, as far as the marketplace is concerned, it's the courier that screwed up. I'm off the hook. Well, once that little technique spread around the dropshipping community, it was probably a matter of minutes before someone thought of using it to just straight up scam people, which brings us finally to my GPU here. Now, I got lucky, and they terminated this guy's account before he could pretend to ship my order. That made it much easier for me to file a dispute.
Okay, guys, we're back. And basically, oh, that is okay. I should not have done that, but we will, yeah, figure this out again. Okay. It's supposed to be detecting things. See, oh, hello. W reacts. Yep. Hello, how you doing? Not much. Right now we're working on an app that can detect pips on these dots on the dominoes. You could probably see it better if I actually made it bigger. Anyway, make sure it can detect all these, but it's not really doing the things right now. Yep. And right now, we're using this phone to record it. Alright. Okay. But for now, we can just close that out. We don't need to mirror it. We can just play it. How can I look through Bobcat? And actually, okay. Oh, you're back. Okay. Yeah, we're just doing some stuff. Hopefully we can detect things with the camera, but it's not detecting anything. Okay. Let me close the app. It's sort of working, but it's not really working. This process started here. And unable to open these things that do not exist. We are going to see what's going on. Okay. Clean. Rebuild, then invalidate and restart. Okay, clean. Build, then file, invalidate caches, and restart. My chest. Give it a second. Okay, well, yeah. Thanks for coming in, man. Appreciate it. It's not working again. Wait, hard-coded Yeah. Well, wherever my own. bad. You can see so bad that it's hard to believe what they say about me. Okay. I'm bad. So bad. How do I do this? Okay, it says I have no idea. View to the windows. Okay. Hey. Breakable, unstoppable. Don't let go. I may just put the entire thing in and I'll tell it to... counting any pips. Okay, let's try this. Damn. Nothing. Have to do training. Crap. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure what I can do right now. I'll need to take a bunch of pictures, but I think this is all I can do for today. But I think I'm gonna head off here, and I'm gonna continue after work tomorrow. You guys got anyone I should write out to? I don't know. Shit. Hey, TV. Oh. No. She left.
I don't know, man.
You don't know anybody? Damn.
Nope.
I'm not sure. Okay. Shit. I feel bad. So, maybe this guy? Oh my gosh, he's gonna be right back screen. I don't even know who is this person. No clue. Duder's on, maybe? No. I'm not sure what to do. We're gonna look at my creator dashboard then, and we're gonna show everybody. Okay. Oh wow, you can start the collaboration from the stream manager now. Oh, shared viewership too. Wow, that's cool as fuck. Okay. I'm learning things right now. Yes, we want to raid somebody.
No, excuse me.
What the fuck is... Okay. That's gaming. I don't know, man. I would hope for someone with like, I'm not sure. Fuck. Damn it. I don't got anybody. I can say like, oh, if nothing's related to the subject at all, and I'll just raid someone I know. Yeah. Sorry about that. We got raid out. Got a cute smile. Okay, well. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Bye.
Well, I mean, I guess not really to you, but